10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 230, turn square left at the split. .80. 6 right, continues for 150. Keep middle through the junction. 40. 6 left. 100. 7 left into middle over small crest. 80. Keep middle over small crest. 130. Slowing 1 right past junction. And 6 right. And 6 right, go. 40, 6 right, 40, 6 left, 150, 6 left, continue, 150, 6 left continues for 200, 100, 6 right, continues for 150, into, keep middle past the lay-by, 130, slowing, caution 4 left, opens but drop outside. 80, 5 right, 100 down mid, 6 left half long, 80 to turn 2 right, unseen, don't cut. So this is the junction. Don't cut into 6 right, 40 downhill, caution 1 right. 60, tight 3 left long, into 6 right, tight and slippy, into 4 right long. 40, 4 right plus, 300 go, through the dip, keep middle over crest long, there's a 5 right plus over this crest, 250, 6 left, continues for 150, slowing, tightens into caution, 2 left, turn sudden, square right. 2 left into sudden, square right. There. 170 down, it's rough. Turn square right. Into 4 right, opens and continues for 150. 130 to turn acute left handbrake. Take the outside, that's it. 300 down mid. Caution, 5 left, continues for 130, tightens into 1 left, slippy. Tightens into a 1. And don't cut 5 left plus long over flat crest. 60, 6 left, 350, keep middle over small crest, 60 downhill slippy, 5 left long slowing, 40 slippy.
No, too far.
Okay, 5 left,
Yeah.
40 open hairpin right. You can see the hairpin right there. 60. 2 right tightens over crest camber. And 3 left plus, 80. Chicane, right, left, right. Looks like another tight one. So we're going back on the road, that's it. 80 goes, 6 right plus. 150. 6 left plus, 100. Keep middle over small crest. 6 right past junction.
All right.
6, yeah, 6, 6, 6.
Okay.
250. 6 right past the lane. 350. That's it. Slowing to caution 4 left, tightens into very tight 1 left long. Keep middle over small crest long into 3 right plus long. 130 with a triangle ahead. So double caution, 1 right round the triangle, acute left. So it's going to send us round a bail. 1 right into acute left. Into 3 right. Left again. That one's missing on there. 3 right. 500 go. Keep middle over small crest long. Into small bump and dip. 250 slowing for chicane. Left, right, left. You can see it down there. Yeah. Chicane, left, right, left. 170. Keep middle over flat crest. 200 through the dip. And then over the next crest, double caution, 1 right long, narrows. 40. 2 left. With don't cut 4 right on exit. 40 tight, 4 left long. 130, 2 right plus, opens and continues for 150. Into 6 left plus, 130, 4 left long past junction, into 5 right, 4 left long, 5 right, 4 left long. 40, 4 left with a drop outside, and then 130, care ahead to the triple caution chicane that we talked about. So it's going to go caution, 4 left, sudden chicane. You were right to drop it down. 100 on the other side. 5 left with a drop outside. 170 through the dip. Keep right over the small crest into a 5 left through dip. You mark this one up. 200 go. Keep right over the small crest. 300 on the other side. Keep middle over a double crest bump. 150. Caution, 6 left plus. Slowing because it's 60 down to 2 right. So 60 after here to 2 right. 60. Tight to 1 right long. 60. Don't cut 2 right plus. 40. Slippy 2 right plus. 60. 4 left. And 4 right long. Into 5 left. 350, and this is a left-right chicane at the split. Remember the one where we're going to go up the hill afterwards? Yep. So it's just tighten the junction up. So in between those bales and up the hill. Slow it down, it's tight, it's tight, it's tight, it's tight. 60. Don't cut 6 right. 40, 2 left opens long. 2 left. 150. Care ahead, 7 left into tight, 1 right. And 6 right long, Slippy continues. And caution, 5 left over small crest, tightens into 2 left. Tightens to a 2. 60. 6 left. 40. 5 left long. 100. Stay right into turn square, left round barrier. So remember they've made this one tight, but we're going into 2 right. 60. Don't cut 4 right into 5 left long, tightens. 80, 4 left. And, so 4 left and tight 3 right into turn, hairpin left. .80. This is the sequence, so it's 3 right and 3 left. Into tight 1 right. Into tight 1 left. Into tight 1 right. Into 3 left. 2 right. And 3 left. 40 up mid to 1 left. 40. 3 right. And 5 right long over crest, tightens into a 4 right. 60, 5 right, 100, 6 right. 60, keep middle over small crest into 6 left long, and down 5 right into 7 right through junction, rough maybe, into 2 right. Into 2 right. And this is long. 80. Tight 3 right and don't cut 6 right long, tightens into 5 right. Keep middle over crest 60, 2 right. So 60 on the crest, 2 right. 40. 6 left. 40, tight 4 right, slowing 60 down to caution hairpin left. And 4 right plus. 40 over the finish, which is on a 4 right. 40, 4 and 3 left tight. That's it. And we're out of the stage.
Really?
That's why I like Radnor, it's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fun.
Keep down to the stop board.